Yes, sir. We live. My bad. I'm over here watching freaking Muhammad Ali. Watching that boy Will Smith play Ali. But yeah, let's get into it. Let's get these markets started, man. See what we got going on. Oh, ICE. I was looking at the market last night, and I think I'm about to do a call on them. About to do a call on them. Uh-huh. Call on them early this morning for the week. And then, yeah, let me get my phone. Let me see if I can't download the. Well, actually, yeah, I don't need to do that on that. Yeah, let me see if I can't download Thinkorswim on here. Thinkorswim. Log in. Text message. Got him. Allow, don't allow. Yes, sir. Ooh, that was it. Alright. It looks different on uh, Android than. Oh, I'm typing in Android. It looks different on Android than iPhone. Same thing though. Bid ass. 240. Let's see. I'm gonna wait a little bit, and then I'm gonna get into a call on them. To a call on them. Every 5 it goes up. So yeah. I don't know nothing about that Ali, but but yeah, we got ice. Let me go. Let me go to my options. Check daily. Check daily. Spy on some crazy stuff, you know what I'm saying? If we get a pullback, then I'll be looking for buys. I mean sales. Pull back to this area. Let me see. Yeah, pull back to this area. I'll be looking for sale. Let me turn this fan off. Yes, Sirski. So I'm gonna be looking for sales if we get a pullback, and then something like this. But for 2 hour, 1 hour, yeah. Gold 4 hour. Got in this yesterday. I think I took a L. Even though I got out, it was the theta. The theta killed it. So I'm gonna be real careful with this one. This one could be doing it. Dang, I should have stayed in it. Ooh, I should have stayed in it. Cause I got it. I think I had it till like till Wednesday. What's today? 16th. I think I had it till the 17th. I should have stayed in it, bruh. Would have been up like decent amount this morning. But it's all good. Cause we ain't even on trip. You heard me. You did. Ooh, look at that drop. Straight drop. Look at SPY. Yep, going up. Going up. If I was, you know what I mean, I really get into sales myself. But I want to wait for a pullback on the 4 hour if we get one. You know what I mean? So Dollar Tree looking beautiful for buys. JPM look like could be having a pullback. To damn boy. D Decker. Still looking good for buys. Look at that. That went. I would hate to get in the buys right here and then to do something like this. Ooh, that would suck. That would suck. I know that thing. You lost all your money you invested into that trade, but it went from 102 to $88. Whoever shorted that though, boy, they done came up. You feel me? Came up. I know they came up. But as of now, if we get a pullback, I'm looking for buys. If I gotta be honest, if we get a pullback though, we need a pullback. I'm gonna need a pullback, bro. Need a pullback, bro. Need a back pull, bro. Like I'm gonna need you to come back up a little bit. Beep, 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 pow, pow. You know what I'm saying? Beep, 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 pow, pow. You know what I'm saying? Uh-oh, looking good for sales on this. I will probably, if we get a little pullback into here, I probably will be getting into some sales. 4 hour, yep, looks like we need some sales. Yeah, yeah. We could have pulled back down into here, like down into here. I'll get in for some sales. What was the other one? Deck. Yeah, we get a pull back up into here. I'll be looking for some buys. Potentially. HD. Let's go back to the 4 hour. Potentially creating this little thingy area of consolidation or this strong resistance area right here. Bam, bam. Let me draw it, cause bam. Let me actually draw it, cause how I actually see it. Cause that ain't how I actually see it. I see it as like a curvature, like whoo, starting to curve a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Starting to curve a little bit. You know, cause the curvatures, they start showing which way the direction wants to go. So I think it's about to start. You know, we can get a pull back up to here to potentially come down past here, or it just could come, you know, past, do that. But I think he could probably pull back to then continue. IBM. I think I said I wanted to get in sales yesterday. Probably should have, but it's all good. It's all Gucci. Cause it could also just be continuing this right here. Bam. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Could come up to potentially continue that. But in the grand scheme of things, overall, we are at the bottom of the trenches. We're at this, what seems like it could be this point right here, you know, where we need a pullback, come down, pull back, come down, pull back, potentially. And it looks a lot like this right here. That's why I'm saying sales. So we get a pullback again. Get a pullback on this one. I'm definitely getting in. I'll probably get in for some sales for sure. Blue eye Jesus. Blonde hair, Jesus. On the table. Who's on your back? If y'all can't tell, I don't watch. I don't know exactly what he was gonna say, but I don't watch Ali like 3,000 times when I was a kid. Should I get in? Or should I wait to see if it's gonna pull back some more? I'ma wait. Well, the 4 hour just busts a greenery. This one's kind of hard. I'ma wait, cause we could still pull back all the way up until here. So it could just be. Let me see if I could see one that's got it in it. Nah, I don't see one. When it goes green, it actually typically might need to get in. Cause when it busts a green, it goes green. You know what I'm saying? Let me see right here, possibly. That's not one either. Cause this was the continuation from this. So yeah, when it goes green, I might need to get in. But at the same time, that's a lack of leverage. The game got too much leverage on me when I'm getting in right here, knowing that this is the previous lower high. You can still pull back all the way. I'm gonna need to see something like this right here. I'm gonna let it come down, come back up, then I'm gonna get in. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna be waiting on that. Unless it decides to keep coming up here, then I'm definitely getting in for sure. You know what I'm saying? Like, but I'm gonna wait on that. I'm waiting. I'm gonna set me an alarm. Alert. Bam. Let me know if it crossed there. Cause I'm gonna be looking to get into that thing. Now let's go to. Ooh, buys looking good, baby. Yeah, AVGO looking good for buys, man. Sheesh. Boy, I might get in. Let me see what we got. AVGO. me see. AVGO. I think they probably cost. I think they cost a lot. I think they cost like 100, or I mean like 800. Yeah, like they cost like 600. See, I don't know. I don't know if I want to put that much at risk. Even though we got all this leverage, that's still $10. That's still like almost. That's still like $76, bro. You know, I don't know. Let me see. Every Yeah, I'm gonna have to wait on that. That's big boy activities. That's big boy activities. That's like, I feel like that's, to trade that, you gotta have an account of at least like 10,000. You know, and I ain't got that yet. We still on the come up, so. But yeah, still on the come up. AZN possibly looking good for buys soon. Get one of these or one of these. Yeah. But don't do a pullback. Could potentially, probably gonna have like one of these to do some more of this, and another one, and it's gonna pull back for a little bit. You know what I mean? We still got a while to go, but at least that's what I'm thinking. You know what I mean? But I'm gonna be looking. I can't wait to see one of these green bars, cause yeah. AZO at the top of this. At the top of this thing right here. We're at the top. Boom, boom, boom. We're really at the bottom, if you want to be technical about what it really is, but I don't want to be that, so. And that leads me to believe that I can get back. I'm actually probably about to get back in the AutoZone, which is crazy because I'll be getting in at the exact same spot. What was I about to do? Oh, bro. Nineteenth of December or the 16th of January. I'll probably get it to the 16th of January. Sheesh. Those spread is outrageous. $250, they ain't got no liquidity. I don't know. I see him getting a 95. It does every 5, so. Nah, I ain't gonna do it. Not yet. We still could potentially come all the way up to here. Actually, I might. Ooh. Killing heaven. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I want to see how this 4 hour finish. I want to see what the next 4 hour do. The next 4 hour go up, then I'm going up. Yeah. So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait and see on that one. See what Ice doing. What was the other one? AZN. This one I'm watching. I would say we're probably somewhere in here, like in this area. But we could also be doing this. Yeah, this one is I wouldn't risk it right now. At the top. Yeah, I'll wait for a pullback. And I always do this little extra stuff up here, so I'll wait for a pullback. Looks like it's starting to create it. Starting to create some, you know what I'm saying, some consolidation in this area to start heading back up. Something like this. And then come down again. Left head, right shoulder. Left head, possible come up, right shoulder. That's what I'm gonna be looking for that. I'll probably be looking at buys here soon. Definitely will. Let me get one of these little greens. Let me get a green thing. I'm gonna be definitely looking at buys here soon. We got all this leverage up here. 220, that's still about $10, but you know what I mean? Compared to what, you know, the potentialities of what could possibly be. You know, I'm definitely be looking at buys if we don't surpass this. If we surpass this, I ain't looking at nothing. But if we don't, then yeah, I'm be looking at buys. Oh, but also we had this point of contention right here. It might not pass this. It might come create a wick. Is it wicking out right there? Nah, it's not wicking out. Could potentially just come up, wick out, not even past this right here. This didn't been resistance and support. So I'm gonna be hey, yeah. Let me put a red one on that. What was the other one I was looking at? Ice. But they more the orange. I ain't not ready yet. Well, actually, they could be. This could have been the, you know what I mean, the green that I needed to see. But we could also potentially come up here. So just waiting on confirmation on that one. We get a green right here on this 1 hour. I think I'm gonna get in. MU, yeah. So I'm gonna be watching that one. I'm looking for buys on this soon, potentially. Potentially. Yeah, I'm gonna be looking for buys soon on Apple. Soon. Soon the boom. Soon the boom boom. Look at Pan W going to the downside on an amazing stretch of it. I'm gonna be looking for God dang, look how this thing move, bro. Yeah, it ain't even. I think it could still potentially come all the way down, back down to here to retest, and then keep heading up. Or let me see. I don't even see nowhere that really look like where we at right now in the markets. Maybe this, but to the opposite. Yeah, that's why I said it could potentially come back up to come back down to here. Or yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna be waiting for a bit more confirmation than what we got so far. I'm not really interested. Ooh, RTX. I'm about to get in the buys on that. It's pulling back a little bit. Ice. Oh, yeah. Getting green on MU. December. Damn. Ain't no way. These mugs cost $1,000, bruh. For the 19th, for this Friday. MU was not, bro. Just like 2 weeks ago, they only costed like 100, 200. How they go from that to thousands, bro? That's ridiculous. That's crazy. That is crazy. But I ain't gonna lie. Shoot. I'm gonna take that risk. Hey, We get that green. I'm taking that risk. I ain't gonna risk the whole thing. You know what I'm saying? But I'm taking that. Or if we come up to here, I'll definitely get in. Cause we got too much leverage on the market at that point. Entirely too much. So now RTX looks like it's coming back up. I'm gonna put it right there. We get it right there. I'm getting in RTX. Let me look at them. RTX. They Gucci. Spread's a bit steep, but it's all good. Assalamualaikum salam, my boy. Let me see. What am I thinking? This could potentially be a pullback of up in the dip. Yeah, I'ma wait. I'm gonna wait on the 4 hour. But I'm gonna start another one. I'm gonna wait on that. RTX, Starbucks. Yup, to the green side. I think it's gonna continue green. Nah, man. If I gotta be honest. And again, like I said, cause we got this. So yeah. But gee. Ooh, I could have been in that. Bruh. It's all good. I'm gonna wait for a pullback. It looks like it likes to do what it do. It moves in the way that I need it to. So I'm gonna be waiting for a pullback. Wait for a pullback. Yup. Ooh, this one looking good. I'll wait for a pullback again. Either if it don't pass this and it start accumulating around this area, consolidating around this area, I'll get in for sales to here. If it comes down to here, then somewhere in here, in between here and here, I'll be looking for sell opportunities. I'll probably say buys on this one. It could potentially pull back. Oh yeah, that's exactly what I said. Cause this tells the story right here. This alert that I put. I was thinking it's gonna come back up, retest, which looked like it could potentially be doing. Retest this area. If it retests this area, I would like to get in for buys. That I would like to get in for buys. They not a sale. They did this that's crazy. They went they a back up. Not really a sale. So I'll be looking for buys if we get up there. What is this? WMB sales. Yes, sir. It's probably gonna come back down one more time to match this one or these. It's gonna come up, come back down, and then start heading this way because of the overall, you know, consensus of where it's at in the markets. Potentially, that's what I'm thinking. You know what I mean? Because we bam, 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 bam. Now we at the bottom potentially. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, Walmart, where we at in that? This don't do nothing but go to the upside, but we need a pullback. We need a pullback. When it gets to here, up in here somewhere, we'll see what it does. You know what I'm saying? We'll see. Cat. Like to see. We need a little bit more. We just surpassed this lower high, so could be doing anything. Need a little bit more price action. Got to make an accurate assessment of that. Uber to the downside, for sure, for sure. Could probably see a pullback of anywhere up in this area potentially, or it could just continue going crazy. Shop. I got in greens. Think I took an ad. No, I took a dub. Excuse me. Let me see. Let me see. Just came up. Bam, 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 bam. Created a green right here. I'll say greens. I'll say greens, bruh. RT up. I think I'm about to get in. Oh, wait, hold up. Make sure RT is first. I think I'm about to get in the MU. But should I wait for the 4 hour? I don't know, cause if I wait for it, it'll probably be like it might be down here somewhere. Well, that'll actually, yeah, that'll prove. That'll be good evidence as to that it wants to keep. So I'll just wait. I'll wait the 4 hours. I'll wait for the 4 hour to close. That's my problem right there. Anyways, still I ain't got enough patience. So wait for the close of the 4 hour, my boy. Calm down. Let it do what it do. Just like ice. Look, you would have got in right here. You'd have been tripping. So just wait for that close. But yeah, shop. I would say to the upside for sure. Well, not for sure, but that would, we could potentially pull back all the way up until here. But I would say overall for the rest of the week, Most definitely probably going to the upside. Probably gonna end at least right here. We had a. Is that a? It is. That's a wick. That's a wick, my boy. That's a wick. Yeah, it's over with. It should. It's probably gonna continue to the upside. I think I might want to get in. Should I get it back in the shop? Shop. Let me see.
We'll be right back.
175. Nah. 167. All right. Yeah, I ain't gonna get in. City. City. Not too interested. That's big boy business right there. So I ain't even worried about that right now. It's big boy business. It's grown man business. Yeah, I ain't gonna worry about that right now either. It's looking kind of crazy. Well, actually, had this big pullback. Boom, pullback to potentially do this. Do some more of that. Let's see. If we get I'm gonna need some more. Yeah, we get a pullback. If it comes down, pull back, come back up in this area, then I'll be looking for buys. As of right now, I'm not looking for nothing on that though. TXN. TXN. If we get a pull, yep. That's why I had these marked up. I would like a pullback into here to continue the buys. But we might not get it. This is a possible point of contention right here. Anywhere up in here, we could see a reversal. But I would like to see it come up to here. You know what I mean? Do something like this. Bam. To continue to the upside. But might like look at here. This point of contention came right to it. Bam. Then continue to the upside. So this could potentially be another point of contention. You know what I mean? Bam. To continue to the upside. So I'll be watching that. I'll be watching that close. But that's on the weekly. Yeah, I'll be watching that close. Look at TJX. Ooh, baby. That looks amazing, bro. That looks amazing. I can't wait for the pullback. Ooh, I can't wait for the pullback. But yeah, I'm gonna need a pullback for me to get in of some sort. Of some sort. We too deep in this green right here. I'm gonna need me a little come back up to here. Something. Some kind of pullback. This one look good. Ooh, we just had the pullback. Come on. Come on. Had the pullback. Bam. Came up. Bam. Let me see. Could potentially. Yup. Point of contention right here. Bam, 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 bam. Could potentially come back up. Retest this area. Yup. My alert says it all. That's what I'm looking for. Boom. Come back up to this area to potentially head back. Start heading back to the. If I start seeing consolidation around here, I'll probably be looking to get in to the upside. To the upside. Look what Hood doing. Mm, 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 mm. I'm gonna wait till we enter this phase again. I'm not really, because it looked like, we in the middle of a pullback. I don't know how far it's gonna pull. You know, we need to pass this. This the lower high. What a higher low on my charts. Doom, 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 doom. So until we start, showing signs of greenery again, something like this, not really interested. Not really too interested. Google bot looking good for that buy. I'm about to Sheesh. But I'll wait. I'll wait till we surpass this. Look, start doing, cause it did it kind of over here. Bam, bam. I probably would have got in right here, took it, and I wouldn't say took a L. Well, what day was it? Thursday? Yeah, definitely would have took a L. Friday, Monday, yeah, definitely would have took a L. But Google looking good for buy soon. That's what I'll be looking for. Unless we just come up and obliterate all this, then could potentially be in a pullback of God knows how far. Cause we done been going green for a little while now. Yeah, it's been going green for a stretch. But if we start creating something like this, boom, 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 boom. Here could have got in. Could have got in. What's this Friday? Probably wouldn't have. But could have got in Monday. Got all that. Metal. Daily. Let me go look. RTX. MU. ICE. ICE looking like it's about to start. Doing what it do. I'm gonna wait though. What I hope this 1 hour finish above this, cause I want more of a pullback. I want it to pull back a bit more, man. I don't want to. It ain't got no leverage on the market right there for real. Like it could pull, it could just fake you out, do anything, and then come all the way back over to here. You know what I mean? But this one, RTX, getting, it's about to, look like what I could potentially excuse me, to potentially get in. V. Ooh, slapped him. Let me see. That's I would say sales as of right now. I might get into this for some sales, my boy. We ain't past this. Yeah, that looks perfect. Hold up. Yeah, hold up. V. Boom. Let's see. See how much it would cost. 350. Do I think it could get 350? I mean, wait, no, I'm going for sales. What am I doing? 342, 340. Let me see. I think it could get to 340 by the end of the week. I think I'm definitely probably about to get in. We got leverage. If it comes down past 347, I'm getting out. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get in. 340. Man, I don't like that. I'm gonna have to get my other phone, bro. I don't like how the Android make it look. It's too different. I'm trying to do something right here. But I definitely think by the end of the week we could at least see 340. So I'm gonna get in. What's today? Tuesday. We got what? You get 2 4 hours a day. Well, really 3 with the last little 30 minutes. So yeah, I'm gonna just do 2. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Got 6 more 4 hours. I mean, it could do some crazy stuff like this, but it's coming up with pretty good momentum. So I'm gonna get in, bro. I'm gonna get in. Let's see what it do. 19th of December, 340. I'm gonna get in. I'm gonna see if it'll get me in at 117. Yep, I'm in. 117. I'm in. I'm in for them sales, baby. All right. Got in 12-16. 25. 10, 16. We gonna see where that one goes. I'm gonna put a alert right there. If it go below here, cause this is, I will no longer be interested, potentially, depending on how I do it. Probably should have waited. For the for this 4 hour. Oh, this the daily. Nah, this the daily. Well, I could wait for that daily to close, but at the same time, nah. I think by the end of the week we could definitely see 340. Yeah, but I don't know. That's a big green drop, so we'll see. We get to 340, I'm out though. So 340, it'll be about, yeah, 340. Set an alarm at 342. Message W V L V. All right. RTX MU. Uh-oh. Telling you, ooh, it's MU giving me that leverage. That's what I like to see. Come up here, stall out, do something like this, come down, create one good green. Oh yeah, I'm getting in. I'm getting in. Ice. Headed to the other side. I'm gonna keep looking for more opportunities. Let me just go to the ones that's well, let me actually go back. I'm gonna keep that one as another screen so that way I can monitor it readily and it's available when I need it, when I want to check it. And I'm gonna check Johnson and Johnson. Sheesh. But they going crazy. I think it's probably looking at how it moves. It's probably gonna do something like this. You know what I mean? Create a little thing, do that. If it do that, I'm getting in. If it do that, I'm getting in. If it do that, I'm getting in. But it could potentially also pull back, all the way up. So it's got to be very weary, very cautious. See how it's moving. But I'm going to be paying attention to that one. Netflix. Don't. Made money on that. Excuse me. You done messed up now. Let me see. Netflix. Could potentially see more pullback. Could be at this stage where it's, boom, 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 pull back some to then continue heading that way. But we also could be at the top of where it wants to potentially pull back to in the grand scheme of things. Because look at that. Grand scheme of things. But we also could be doing something like this. So it's just got to watch it. Just got to watch it. Just got to watch it. See, get your cues from. If I had to guess, I would say it actually is doing, having a major pullback. So it's probably going to keep going. It's probably going to exceed all this if I had to guess. You know what I'm saying? But at the same time, it's the market. So this could be possible point of contention. All this in here. So you got to watch it. LCRX. What am I on? Netflix? Okay. What's this doing? What it did? Oh, it had a pull back. Let's see. It could either be coming to create a actual deeper pullback, or it could just came up here just to it could be coming up here just to retest this, get a green, bow. To continue to, I'm gonna be watching this one close. See what it do. See what it do. I say this hour probably gonna end up here. Then this next hour really gonna show us up. Or the next couple hours, because we could see some consolidation, something like this too. You know what I mean? Potentially. So I'm gonna be watching. Where was I at? I was at Johnson & Johnson. I did Johnson & Johnson. Look at Nike. Took a L last week on this one. Took a L last week. Just the week before though, got a dub. Took a L last week. Let's see. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, I would say it's probably about to pull back. That's what I was hoping for last. Wait, that was yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. That's what I was hoping for yesterday. That this was like that it was gonna start, pulling back, but it looks like it decided to fake me out and then started today. So if I would have stayed in, I really be I really be in the money, which sucks, but it's okay. It's okay because it exceeded where I thought it would go, and I had a good leverage on the market, so I didn't lose much. You know what I'm saying? Got out. Now I could really get in, but I'm not gonna do it. It already got me once. I don't even want to mess with it right now. See what AMD doing. Yup. Pulling back. Pulling back. See. Yup. Great sale opportunity. CRM. I analyzed this one last night. Wonder what I saw. What did I see? I saw this right here. No, I did. Potential pullback. Area contention right here. So yeah. Boom, 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 boom. That's what I saw. This pull back to this area right here. Yeah. Yep, yep. Duo. I would like to watch this. Could potentially start, you know, come up, consolidation, boom. But we also got this left head, right shoulder that looks like this is. It could potentially be going down for a while. But yeah, that's everything I'm looking at for right now. I just got in the V, so we'll see what happens with that. We shall see. 4 hour could potentially still just wick out and come all the way down and end up. That would suck. That would definitely suck. Let me. Oh wait, I already got that one. Oh, we getting a pullback on deck too. I might get into this. Is this already? Nah, this ain't what I'm watching yet. Yeah, we getting a pullback on this. I might get in the deck. Sheesh, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, boy, gonna be looking for that Mac, 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 make that money. All right. Sheesh, boy, I knew I should have got in for sales, bro. I knew I should have got in for sales. Ooh, I would have been there. I would have been in the money. Ooh, look at go, bro. You doing me dirty. I should have stayed in, bro. That sucks. It's okay though. It's okay though. It's okay though, cause we gonna learn that lesson. So I'm off of those now. Now I got the ones that I'm looking at. Deck V RTX. RTX pulling back. I think I'm about to get in soon. MU. Ooh, look at that pullback, baby. Bring it back, baby. So ice, and then that's it. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it on that. I done already gave my little, you know what I'm saying? These the ones I'm gonna be watching for today. So yeah. Ooh, Dick done already started going back to the upside on your boy. Don't do it. Don't do it. Wait for me. Pull back. But yeah, I'm gonna just be watching those. So catch y'all on the next one, man.